Hey there, Exam Hack Academy fam! Today, I'm diving into the top 5 AI tools that every student should have in their arsenal. Whether you're cramming for exams, writing papers, or just trying to stay organized, these AI tools are game changers. So, let's jump right in. First up, Grammarly. This is a must-have for anyone who writes anything. Grammarly not only checks your grammar but also gives suggestions on how to improve your writing style. It's like having a personal editor that works 24/7. Next on the list is Quizlet. If you're someone who learns best through flashcards, Quizlet is your new best friend. With AI-generated study sets and practice tests, you can tailor your learning experience to fit your needs. Plus, it's got a huge library of pre-made cards for almost any subject you can think of. Moving on to tool number 3, Notion. This one's a powerhouse for organization. From taking class notes to tracking assignments, Notion keeps everything in one place. Its AI features help you categorize and prioritize your tasks, so you never miss a deadline. Fourth on the list is Wolfram Alpha. This is not just your average search engine. Wolfram Alpha is like having a super smart tutor available at any time. It can solve complex math problems, provide detailed explanations, and even generate practice questions. Perfect for when you're stuck on those tricky homework questions. Last but not least, we have Anki. If you're prepping for big exams like the SATs or GRE, Anki's spaced repetition system is a lifesaver. It uses AI to determine the best times to review material, ensuring you retain information longer. Alright, Exam Hack Academy crew, there you have it, the top 5 AI tools that can seriously boost your study game. Remember, the right tools can make all the difference in your academic journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Also, drop a comment below and let me know which AI tool you're excited to try out. Thanks for watching and happy studying.